Okay. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you and wish everybody enjoy your holidays very peacefully and enjoy the days. Okay. So today I hope all you are fine and safe at your home. Previous day already we have started a lesson that was water animals. Some animals live in water. They are called water animals. We know that. Now I'll today draw something just for you and you will tell me what is the name of this animal. Okay? What is the name of this animal? Yes. We know that this is a duck. This is a duck. We can easily draw the duck with number 2. This animal live in land and water both. This is mean the time it live in land, but the duck always we can see in water. It is swimming every time. It is moving here and there. So we can find the duck in the pond or basically we can see the duck in the pond or lake. So it live land and both. So it is also we can call land and both land animal and water animal. Okay. It is live every time land and water. Now we can introduce some name before you. Those animals live in land and water both. We have the book with us, page number 44. Page number 44, take out. Okay. Now today we will read at first the name, then we will write down and learn the spellings today. Okay. Now today at first we recognize, yes, page number 44. Everybody will take out and today we just start this part. We at first again we will recall the name of water animals. Then you will start with me. Fish, whale, turtle and octopus. These 4 are water animals. Now we know the name about land and water animal both. So these animals we can see land and water both. So today we learn these names. Okay, at first recognize the name, see the picture and recognize it. After that we learn those names. At first, crocodile. See crocodile. C for crocodile. We'll at first recognize it. Then hippopotamus. Today we learn these names. Hippopotamus. So crocodile, hippopotamus. This is your duck. Duck, crab and frog. Duck, crab, frog. And here we can see fish, whale, turtle, octopus. 4 water animals name. Now, today we learn crocodile, hippopotamus, duck, crab and frog. Crab, frog. Today now we learn these names and you will also learn with me today. At first we learn crocodile. See, tell with me. C, crow. C, R, O. C, R, O. Say with me. Mriganko, everybody, see the board properly and just like your school, you just tell with me. Croco. C, R, O. Say with me. C, R, O, C, O. Croco. Crocodile. D, I, L, E. Dial. Crocodile. C, R, O, C, O, D, I, L, E. Dial. Crocodile. C, R, O, C, O, D, I, L, E. Crocodile. C, R, O, C, O, D, I, L, E. Crocodile. Okay. Now today the turn for hippopotamus. So hip, H, I, P. Hip, H, I, P. Hippo. P, O. Hippo. H, I, double P, O. Hippo. H, I, double P, O. Hippo. Then pota. Mas. M-U-S. Mas. Hippopotamus. H-I-P. P-O. H-I-P-P-O. H-I-double-P-O. Hippo. Pota. P-O-T-A. Hippopotamus. Okay? Hippopotamus. You will learn all those spellings very carefully because it is so large spelling. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Okay? Then we turn about duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Thereafter crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Say the spellings with me. That is the way you can learn all the spellings very easily and carefully. C-R-A-B. Crab. So, crocodile. C-R-O. Crow. C-O. Croco. D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Thereafter hippo. H-I-P-P-O. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. P-O-T-A. Hippopotamus. M-U-S. Hippopotamus. Thereafter duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Thereafter crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. C-R-A-B. B. Then frog. I know these spellings, you can know. C-F-R-O-G. Frog. So F-R-O-G. Frog. It was today's spellings work. Okay. Now today what we will do? We just take out your science copy now. Take out your science copy now. We do one activity. Okay, very good. Science copy, write down CW and date. CW and date. 2, 1, 10 and 20. All the students, the work you will write down by yourself. Okay. All the students, you will write down by yourself the work. Mriganko, you will see the, yes, you will see me at first. Then you take out the science copy. Show me your science copy. Wow, everybody is showing me. Very good, very good, very good. Now take out your science copy. Write down fill in. F-I-L-L. Fill I-N in. The answer you will write down here. Thereafter you will show me. Okay, octopus. Oh wow, very sweet octopus it is. Sweetie sweet. Okay, very good, very good. Oh wow, yes, that work where it is. I'll see at first. Okay, everybody is showing me. Okay, very good. Oh wow. Very good. Octopus color is very nice. Everybody are doing very nice coloring. Wow. Okay. Wow, wow. Very good, very good. Wow, very good. Oh, just all of, I just clap for all for you. This clap is just for you. Clap, clap, clap. Now, you will do fill in the blanks. Write down in your copy and write down if I is dash. Do the work by yourself. Okay, very good. Now, you will write down in your copy. In your copy, if I dash, if I is dash. Thereafter, T-U-R-T dash E. T-U dash T-L T-U-R-T dash E. Okay. And O-C-T dash P dash S. So, T-U-R-T dash E. So, these three work, yes. F-I, turtle, okay. So, fish, turtle and octopus. We have to fill in the blanks. These fill in the blanks, yes. These three work is your homework. Yes, very good. So, you will enjoy the puja, enjoy the holidays very carefully and kindly. You will be safe. Okay, always be happy at first and eat healthy fruits, vegetables, everything. That the puja will be your happy. So, tata for today. Enjoy the holidays and enjoy all the time. Okay, tata for today. Bye-bye.